Wait, was it Hello the Penguin?
The
That's
penguin
so
book.
big. That's so big.
Which one?
That one.
Oh,
The
he's
king.
walking here already.
Where is it?
Pink penguin.
There, there.
Playing with us.
Oh, there.
Oh, there.
Mick.
Hello. Oh, they know how to swim.
That's why you must learn.
No.
You can swim with them.
Why they're so fast?
Where are they going?
Gonna get food.
You see, wow, you see so many of them.
They're gonna go back there to that slide.
Look at them, so funny.
They're too scared. Look how big those penguins are. Baba.
Hello.
Maya, ibang galing.
Hello, penguins.
Oh, struggling.
Mia is closely watching the penguins.
Oh, there.
Oh,
The big ones.
they're feeding the penguin.